laying there with the nice warm sun. Today it's cold, windy, and rainy. 80-mile-an-hour winds, so the ship is going to skip our scheduled stop. It's going to be in Argostoli, Greece. So we're going to cruise up the coast now, and it's going to be another day before we hit the next port. So check out this. Cold, windy, and rainy here. A little bit of rough seas. Not much for the day inside.